So good morning everyone. So today I'm starting example number 6. So already in last class we have completed till example number 5. So now example number 6, factorize 25p square minus 49q square. So what is that? 25p square minus 49q square. So we have to factorize this. Given 25p square minus 49q square. So these are in the form of two terms. It is having only two terms, and these two terms are of square values. That is 25 can be written as 5 square and 49 can be written as 7 square. So we can write this as 5p whole square minus 7q whole square. So which formula we can apply here? We can apply a square minus b square formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. So if you compare this term and this term, so a value will be 5p and the b value will be 7q. So these two terms we have to expand in this form now, that is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b means 5p plus 7q. And a minus b is nothing but 5p minus 7q. So what are the factors of the given expression? 5p plus 7q and 5p minus 7q are the given values for this example number 6. So next is example number 7, that is factorize. So again we have to factorize 48a square minus 24b square. So these two are not in the form of squares. So what we can do here, we can take if you take 4 as common, so which number we can take common here? We can take 24. I think 24 2 times will be 48. So we can take out 24 as common, or you can take it as 3 as common. 8 plus 4 is 12. 24. Yes, we can take 3 as common. So given 48a square minus 24b square, I am taking out 3 as common. 3 16 times will be 48 minus 3 8 times will be 24b square. So but we can't factorize this again because 8 is not a square number. So directly I am doing this. 48 means I am taking 24 as common. If I take 24 as common, 24 2 times is 48a square minus for 24 1 times will be 24b square. So these are the factors of the given question. So what they have given in textbook, it is wrong, because here 3 instead of taking sorry this one is 243. Now you can factorize. Yes, so now we can take 3 as common. 3 16 times is 48a square, and 3 how many times you can take? You can take 81 times will be 243. Now 16 is also a square number, 81 is also a square number. So 16 means 4a whole square we can write. 81 as 9b whole square we can write. So this is a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. So here we can take a value as 4a and b value as 9b. So now we can substitute this in this formula. That is a plus b into a minus b. So 3 I am writing as it is. A plus b is nothing but 4a plus 9b, and a minus b is nothing but 4a minus 9b. So these are the factors for the example number 7. So next is example number 8. So what is next one? Example number 8. Factorize x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 4z square. So if you take these three terms, that is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square 2ab plus b square, that is we can write in the form of a plus b whole square. So your given expression is x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 4z square. So this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that we can write in the form of a plus b whole square. So here a is nothing but the x value and the b is nothing but the y value. So I am writing in that form. So we can write this as x plus y whole square minus 4z square. So these are the factors of the given expression. So next is this one we can convert again. 4 we can write in the form of 2 square. So 2z whole square. Now these two are in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So here a is nothing but x plus y and b is nothing but 2z. Now we will convert into this form, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is x plus y plus 2z, and next is x plus y minus 2z. So these are the factors for the example number 8. So this is example number 8. Next is example number 9. Example number 9. So what is the question? Factorize p power 4 minus 256. So we have to factorize this. So here p power 4 we can write in the form of p square whole square minus 256 we can write in the form of 16. 16 times will be 256. So we can write 16 square. So this is in the form of now a square minus b square, we can write in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a value is p square and b value is 16. Now first we will convert to this form, that is p square plus 16 is one factor and p square minus 16 is other factor. So now if you see again this one we can convert. So because p is in the form of square term and 16 is also in the form of square term, that is we can write 4 times will be 16. So p square plus 16, and this one we can write as p square minus 4 square. So again this is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b we can write. So if you compare this and this, the a value will be p and the b value will be 4. So now expand to this form, that is p square plus 16 as it is. Next term is p plus 4 is one factor, other factor is p minus 4. So these are the factors of the given example, that is example number 9. Next is example number 10. So what is example number 10? Factorize m square minus 4m minus 21. So this first term and last term are not in the form of squares. So we have to use a tree method now for factorizing this expression. So what we have to do? We have to multiply the first term and last term. So it will be minus 21 m square. So if you multiply you should get 21. If you subtract you should get minus 4. So how you will get 4 3 times will be 21. 7 minus 3 will be 4. So 7 7 3 times will be 21. 7 minus 3 will be 4. So this minus can be written as plus into minus and minus into plus. 7 3 times is 21. 7 3 times is 21. M into M is M square. M into M is M square. So if you subtract, you should get minus 4M. So if you do subtraction of these two numbers, it will be what? Plus into minus is minus. 7 minus 3 is 4M. Bigger number sign is plus here. Okay. But here you are having the minus sign. So if you subtract these two terms, minus into plus is minus. 7 minus 3 is 4M. And the bigger number sign is minus. So you got as minus 4M. So in place of this minus 4M, we can substitute these two values. So M square minus 7M plus 3M minus 21. So first two terms I am taking and the second two terms. So in these two, M is common. So I am taking M as outside. Here 1 M is remaining, minus here 7 is remaining. So if you take from this common, we can take 3 as common. So 3 M as it is, 3 7 times is 21. So what are the factors here? The factors are M plus 3 and M minus 7. So these are the factors of example number 10. So next is example number 11. Example number 11. So now 4x square plus 20x minus 46. So this one we have to factorize. So 4x square plus 20x minus 96. So this one we have to factorize. Before factorizing this, I am taking 4 as common in all the terms because 4 will go in 4 table. 20 will go in 4 table as well as 96 is a multiple of 4. So I am taking 4 as common here. So given 4x square plus 20x minus 96. I am taking 4 as common. So the remaining terms we have to write in the bracket. That is here only x square. 4 5 times is 20x minus 4. How many times will be equals to 96? That will be equals to 24 times. Okay, so now this part we have to factorize. This 4 we will write as it is. So how to factorize? Here the first term and last terms are not in the form of squares. So directly we have to multiply the first term and last term. So if you multiply these two terms, it will be minus 24x square. So if you multiply, you should get 24. If you subtract the numbers, you should get 5x. So in that way we have to take the factors there. So minus can be written as plus into minus, minus into plus. 24 factors we have to take. So we can take it as 8 3 times is 24. So 8 3 times is 24. 8 3 times is 24. X into x will be x square. X into x will be x square. Now if you subtract the numbers, it should be plus 5x. So if you subtract these two, how much you will get? We will see. Plus into minus will be minus. 8x minus 3x will be 5x. Bigger number sign plus. So in place of plus 5x, we can substitute these two values. So I am writing it as x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 24. Now we have to take out the common values. So 4 as it is. From these two, x is common. So x plus 8 is remaining. From these two, 3 will be common because 3 is a multiple of 3 and 24 is also a multiple of 3. So minus 3 x plus 8. So what are the factors now? The factors are x minus 3 is one factor and other factor is x plus 8. So these are the factors of the given expression. So this is our example number 11. Next is example number 12. Example number 12. So example number 12. So that is Factorize the following. Factorize the following. Example number 12. Do the following division. So we have to do division here. Example 12. Do the following division. So we have to do division and we have to factor this. So that is, first one is 70x power 4 divided by 14x square. So now given 70x power 4 divided by 14x square, I am writing this in the form of by form, that is 70x power 4 by 14x square. X square will get cancelled, so here 2 will be remaining. So how many times you can take here? So 14 ones, 14 fives you can take. 14 fives. So it will be how much? It will be equals to 5x square. So what is the result? The result is 5x square. So in this, the second one, 4x cube y cube z cube divided by 12xyz. So 14x cube y cube z cube divided by 12xyz. So we have to write this in first by form. Write in by form, that is 4x cube y cube z cube by 12xyz. Now we can cancel this. So here 4 ones, 4 threes, z will be cancelled, 2 z's will be remaining, that is z square is remaining, y is cancelled, that is y square is remaining, x will be cancelled, that means x square is remaining. So what is the result here? The result is 1 by 3 x square, y square and z square. So this is our example number 12. So next is example number 13. Example number 13, that is divide 30 a square bc plus ab square c plus abc square by 6abc. So this whole term we have to divide with 6abc. So I am writing in by form, that is 30a square bc plus ab square c plus abc square by 6abc. So if you see, in this all terms abc is common. So 30 abc I am taking it as common, that is here it will be abc. Only A will be remaining. Already BC we have taken it as common. Here B will be remaining because AC we took as common. Here C will be remaining because AB we took as common. By 6ABC. 6 ones, 6 fives is 30. A will get cancelled. B will get cancelled. C will get cancelled. So answer is 5 into A plus B plus C. So this is the final answer for example number 13. So next is example number 14. Example 14 is divide 39y cube cube 50y square minus 98 by 26y square into 5y plus 7. So these values we have to divide. So I am writing in by form first. So how to write in by form? That is 39y cube into 50y square minus 98 by 26y square 5y plus 7. So here what we can take out is as common. So it will be so we can take it as 16. So here 25 means 2 we can take common from this. Yes, we can take 2 common from this. So 39y cube. So here I am taking it as 2 as common. So what is the remaining 2? 25 times is 50y square minus 2. How many times will be equals to 98? So it will be 49 times will be 98 by 6y square into 5y plus 7. So if you see these two terms, that is 25 is also in the form of square term and 49 is also in the form of square term. So we can write 39y cube into 2 into 5y square minus 7 square by 26y square into 5y plus 7. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square means we can write in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we will write 39y cube into 2 into, we can write 5y plus 7 and 5y minus 7. I have converted into the identity. So by 26y square 5y plus 7. So 5y plus 7, 5y plus 7 will be cancelled. Y square will get cancelled. So we can do it in 2 table. So 2 ones, 2 how many times? 2 13s, 13 ones, 13 threes. So what is the answer? 3y into 5y minus 7 are the factors of the given example number 14. So next is example number 15. Example number 15. Divide m square minus 14m minus 32 by m plus 2. So we have to divide this whole term with m plus 2. So here m square minus 14m minus 32 by m plus 2. So we are using here again the first term and last term are not in the form of square. So multiply the first term and last term. So these two we have to multiply. It will be minus 32m square. So if we have to take the factors in such a way that if you multiply it should be equals to minus 32. If you subtract that should be equals to minus 14. So 32 how you can write? You can write it as 8 3 times you can take, and also we can take it as 16 2 times we can take. Yes, 16 2 times. So minus can be written as plus into minus, minus into plus. So 16 2 times is 32. 16 2 times is 32. M square can be written as m into m, m into m. Now if you subtract it should be minus 14m. So if you subtract this that will be equals to minus 14m, and if you subtract these two terms that will be plus 14m. So in place of this minus 14m I am substituting these two values, that is m square minus 16m plus 2m minus 32 by m plus 2. So the first two terms we are having m as common. So m if you take out common that will be m minus 16, plus in this 2 if you take out 2 as common that will be m minus 16 by m plus 2. So what are the factors of the numerator? The factors will be m plus 2 and the other factor will be m minus 16 by m plus 2. So here m plus 2 will get cancelled, and what is the result? M minus 16 is our result. So this is our example number 15. So next is example number 16. Example number 16. So what is the question? Divide 42 a square a power 4 minus 13 a square, a cube plus 36 a square by 7a into a minus 4. So this one we have to factorize. So if you see this, we can take a power square, a square as common we can take. So we can take a square as common, that is 42 a square. The remaining terms will write in bracket, that is a square minus 13a plus 36 by 7a into a minus 4. So we have to factorize this term now. The first term and last term are in the form of squares. 36 can be written as 6 square. So 42a square we can write as a whole square minus 2 into a. This 36 can be written as 6 square. That is, here we have to write 6-2ab by, what is that? 7a minus 4. So here it is 13. So 13 means we should not apply this. So first term and last term we have to multiply, that is 36 a square. So if you do multiplication, that should be equals to 36. If you do addition, that will be equals to 13. So what values you can take? You can take it as minus 9a and minus 4a. So if you do addition for this, that will be equals to minus 13a. So here I am substituting a square minus 9a minus 4a plus 36. Now we have to take common from that. So 42a, here in this 2 I can take a as common, so it will be a minus 9. From this 2 I can take 4 as common, that is how much it will be? 4. If I take it 4 as common, a plus 9 by 7a minus 4. So it will be 42a square. So what are the factors here? A minus 4 is one factor and other factor is a plus 4. So by 7a minus 4. So here what we can do? Here 7 ones. So these are the factors for the given expression. So next is example number 17. Last example in this chapter. Example number 17, that is x into 3x square minus 108 divided by 3x into x minus 6. So write in by form, that is x into 3x square minus 108 by 3x into x minus 6. So in this 2 we can take out 3 as common. So x into 3, it will be x square minus 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18. So it will be 36 by 3x into x minus 6. So this is in the form of both are in squares. 36 can be written as 6 square. So 3x into x square minus 6 square we can write by 3x into x minus 6. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So 3x into x plus 6 and x minus 6 by 3x into x minus 6. So x minus 6 will get cancelled. 3x will get cancelled. So what is the answer? X plus 6 is our answer. So this is our last example in this chapter. So next is, with this our factorization chapter has been completed, and in this we have learned how to factorize the given terms and how to divide and factorize the given terms. So in next class I will come with a new chapter. Thank you.